Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev and in this session we are going to learn about control flow statements in Unity C Sharp. If statements checks for the condition, and if the condition is true, then the block of code inside the if statement is executed. But what if the condition is false? In that case, the code inside the else statement will be executed. The else statement tells the code what to do if the condition is false. Again, we have declared a variable of data type int, which is player health, and the value is set to 70. Inside the start function, we are checking if the player health, the value of player health is lesser than 50 or not. If the condition is true, then we are going to print player's health is too low inside the Unity console. And if the condition here is false, then player's health is good will be printed inside the Unity console. So guys, here it is. Here is the output. Player's health is good. Thank you for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.